Hi class, welcome to week one. I'm Prof. Laura and I'm here to go through a little bit on Blackboard with you to make you comfortable with how to navigate through. So I'm going to highlight here this is the home page, and this is what you'll see when you first log in. I have my welcome video. Please feel free to watch that. The welcome to CIS 2850. Your course readiness agreement, which you're going to need to complete within the first week. Your MyStatLab registration instructions, which you can also get another way, I'll show you in just a moment, and then also a getting started orientation material that will be helpful. As you use Blackboard, you'll see on this left-hand side a lot of quick links that you're going to use quite a bit. If you look under Student, these are the ones you'll use the most. I'll go ahead and jump through a couple of them. If you move into Announcements, you can see that we have this first announcement ready and queued up, and you'll be seeing this. This is a welcome, and you'll see announcements from me pretty much every week. MyStatLab. Here is an easier way to get into MyStatLab. If you press in here, there's support tools, and you'll see the student help, how to register, sign in, and access your MyStatLab. This is the best way, I would say, to get in and make sure that you're able to get into the right session of MyStatLab. And discussion boards. This will be used throughout the class, and especially this class Q&A. This is an opportunity for you to put your questions up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and I will be responding to them within 24 hours if I can. But again, your other classmates will be able to participate in that too. So if you see someone have a question and you already know the answer, feel free to go ahead and respond. So it's just a nice way to have a rapport with each other and learn from each other. There's also this introduction discussion board, which will be due on August 22nd, so the Wednesday after you get into class. Wanted to make it kind of interesting, just give us some ideas about yourself. I threw out 6 ideas here for you to respond to, but if you have other things you'd like to talk about yourself, feel free. And also, I will give you a bonus point. This is a 10-point here, but I'll give you another bonus point if you create an avatar. An avatar is just a picture of yourself that comes up on Blackboard, and we can see each other better and just get to know each other better. I've included here instructions on how to add an avatar. And these week discussion boards, I'll get into that on another week. Then the Journals tab. You'll go into complete your journals directly in here. You can press on Journal 1 when it's available. You'll see it's going to be available in week 2. And these are very private, so anything that you put in here will be shared with just me. And the other piece you'll use quite a bit are these weekly modules. This is right above Student. When you go in here, this is a good reminder for yourself every week what is due. First, you'll have these project and journal details. Journal details are really just copied and pasted from this journal, so you can use either place here. But the final project is a little involved, and it's something that I think would be really helpful for you to look at early in class. Feel free to press on this and review the project details and ask any questions as you have them. Week 1 module, let's go into that one. So I can show you pretty much how it's laid out. There is a preparation, learning materials, and assignments section pretty much to all weeks, at least week 1 through 7. Week 8 is just the final and the project. So under preparation, it lists your learning objectives, what we expect to learn during this week, and then also what is due. You're going to be reading chapters 1 and 2, reviewing learning materials, which are here. These are chapter 1 and 2 slides. There'll also be videos that I might post or Excel files if I'm sharing data with you. In making your introductory post by the 22nd, and your week 1 assignment in MyStatLab. I have this assignment, which is just kind of a summary. It just reminds you what is due. If you want to look here as a summary, that you have what I just told you, the introductory, that it's 10 points, and the bonus point for the avatar, and your weekly assignment in MyStatLab. So hopefully that gives you a view of how to navigate through here. If you have any questions, again, feel free to contact me. You have my contact information, which is listed here under the instructor profile. You can call me at any time. This is my cell phone, and regardless of whether I'm traveling, I'd be happy to answer your calls. And here's my email address. Notice I do not have an on-campus office, so the best way to get me is by the phone or email. Thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you.